friends, welcome to our YouTube channel JV the Mentor. Today our topic is straight lines, the weightage of marks. 1 into 7 marks, one long answer that is 7 marks, one essay type questions, 1 into 4 marks, 4 marks, 2 VSA type questions, 2 into 2 marks, 4 marks. Total weightage of marks from this topic is 15 marks. Okay. Now first concept. The inclination of a straight line. Now taking the coordinate axis, x axis and y axis, x dash, this is y dash, origin. This is the line. This line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x axis. This is the positive direction. Anti-clockwise direction is called positive direction. Clockwise direction is called the negative direction. So this is the anti-clockwise direction. This line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x axis. Then theta is called the inclination of the line. Inclination of the line. And then we will find the slope of this line. The slope of this line is tan theta. Tan theta is called the slope of the line and it is denoted by m. M equal to tan theta. M equal to tan theta. Slope of the line. Okay, no? Write down. Slope of the line. Okay, first we will explain the inclination and then the slope of the line. If the line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x axis, then theta is called inclination. Theta is called inclination of the line and tan theta is called the slope of that line. And tan theta is called slope of the line. Okay, no? If theta is inclination of the line, then tan theta is the slope of the line. Generally, the slope of the line is denoted by m. The slope of the line is denoted by m. So slope of the line m equal to tan theta. Slope of the line is m equal to tan theta. Okay. Write down. Next one example from this concept. Example 1. Okay now. If inclination of the line is 30 degrees, then slope of the line. Okay. If a line makes an angle 30 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. 30 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of then slope of the line is m equal to tan theta. That is the slope of the line. Slope of the line formula ఏంటండి tan theta కదా. So m equal to tan theta, where theta is 30 degrees. So this implies m equal to tan 30 degrees. What is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 1 by root 3. So slope of the line is 1 by root 3. Okay. Write down. Next, second concept. Okay, second one. In first concept, if inclination of the line is given, then we will find the slope of the line. The second one is, we will find the slope of the line passing through 2 points. Here ax1, y1, bx2, y2 are any 2 points in a plane. Now the line passing through the points A and B. Okay, now we will find the slope of this line AB. How to find the slope of the line passing through the points A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2? That is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, or y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. That means the difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. Okay now. So the slope of the line passing through 2 points, A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 is difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. Okay now, write down. Second point. If the line passing through 2 points A x1, y1 and B x2, y2. Okay, then the slope of the line AB equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 by y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. Here order is important. That means the difference of the y coordinates by the difference of x coordinates. This is the slope of the line. Okay now. Next, if two lines are parallel and perpendicular conditions. If slopes of two lines are equal, then that lines are parallel. If the product of the slopes equal to -1, then the two lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay na? Next concept note and rather. Note. Unity. Listen. If M1 and M2, M1 is the slope of first line, that is line 1. M2 is the slope of second line. If the slopes are equal, M1 equal to M2, then L1 is parallel to L2. If the product of the slopes equal to -1, that means M1 into M2 equal to -1, then L1 is perpendicular to L2. Okay na? First point. If M1 comma M2 are the slopes of two lines L1 and L1 comma L2. L1 comma L2. That means M1 is the slope of L1 and M2 is the slope of L2. Then, first point, M1 equal to M2 if and only if L1 is parallel to L2. That means this is L1 and this is L2. These two lines are parallel lines. If slopes are equal, then the two lines are parallel. Second point, M1 into M2 equal to -1. That means the product of the slopes equal to -1. If and only if L1 is perpendicular to L2. This is the symbol of perpendicular. L1 is perpendicular to L2. That means here this is L1, this is L2. L1, this is L1, this is L2. L1 is perpendicular to L2. Okay now? Write down. Yes, next point. Third one. Slope point form. That means if a straight line passing through the point ax1 comma y1 and having the slope m. If the point ax1 comma y1, the line passing through the point ax1 comma y1 and having the slope m, then the equation of that line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. The equation of the straight line passing through the point x1 comma y1 and having the slope m is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay now? Write down. The equation of the straight line passing through the point ax1 comma y1 and having the slope m is y equal to y minus y1 is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay na? Diagram kuda raskundamma. So this is the equation of the straight line passing through the point x1 comma y1 and having the slope m. Now taking one example. Find the equation of the straight line of the line passing through one comma 2 and having the slope two by 3. Okay? Passing through the point 1 comma 2 and having the slope 2 by 3. That is, let the given point be x1 comma y1 and the slope of the given line is 2 by 3. Slope m equal to 2 by 3. Write down solution. Solution. Let a equal to 1 comma 2, that is the point, let it be x1 comma y1. And the slope of the required line is m equal to 2 by 3. Now we will find the equation of the required line. The equation of the required line required straight line is formula ఏంటండి y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now substitute the values of x1, y1 and m. Then we will get y minus here y1 is 2, m is 2 by 3, x minus x1 is 1. Now 3 LHS side వస్తుందండి, క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయండి. 3 into y minus 2 equal to 2 into x minus 1. 3y minus 6 equal to 2x minus 2. 3y minus 6 RHS side తీసుకెళ్తే 2x minus 2 minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. So 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the required straight line. Okay, write down. Next we will discuss the equation of the straight line passing through 2 points. ఓకే అయిపోయిందా? If x1 comma y1 comma y1 b x2 comma y2 a x1 comma y1 and b x2 comma y2 are 2 points in a plane. Now we'll find the equation of the line passing through 2 points. We will find the equation of the straight line passing through 2 points. Okay now? Okay? If ax1 comma y1 and bx2 comma y2 are 2 points, now we'll find the equation of the straight line passing through these 2 points. Okay now? The equation of the line passing through ax1 comma y1 and bx2 comma y2 is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay? Previous formula lagane. Here where m is the slope of the line. How to find the m? M is where m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay? Write down. The equation of the straight line passing through passing through 2 points ax1 comma y1 and bx2 comma y2 is y minus y1 equal to m into y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, where m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay no? For here y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This can be also written as y minus y2 equal to m into x minus x2, where m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay. Now let us consider one example. Find the equation of the straight line డయాగ్రామ్ రాశారండి. ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ రాసుకొని ఆ డెఫినేషన్ రాయండి. ఇది రాసేయండి, అక్కడ డయాగ్రామ్ రాసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ the 2 points 1, 3 and 4, 5. 1, 3 and 4, 5. Okay, solution. Let the given points, first one is A and the second one is B. Let A equal to 1, 3. Let it be x1, y1. B equal to 4, 5. Let it be x2, y2. First we will find the slope. What is the slope? Slope of AB. AB bar రాసినట్లయితే that means the line AB అని అర్థం. Slope of AB is m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now substitute that values. y2 minus y1, 5 minus 3 by 4 minus 1, that equal to 2 by 3. 5 minus 3 by 4 minus 1, 2 by 3. Slope of the line. Now the equation of the line. Equation. The equation of AB, the line AB is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now substitute the values. Y minus y1, here y1 is 3, equal to m, 2 by 3. X minus x1, here x1 is 1. Okay na? Now cross multiplication cheyandi. 3 into y minus 3 equal to 2 into x minus 1. Multiplying with 3. 3y minus 9 equal to 2x minus 2. Okay? So this implies 2x minus 2 LHS RHS side తీసుకెళ్ళండి, minus 3y plus 9 equal to 0. So 2x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. This is the equation of the straight line AB. Okay na? Okay అండి. కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అన్ని కూడా జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. టోటల్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అండి, ది టోటల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ టాపిక్ డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ దీస్ ఫార్ములాస్. ఏ రోజు చెప్పిన ఫార్ములాస్ ఆ రోజు జాగ్రత్తగా మీరు కేర్ఫుల్ గా విని దాన్ని ఒకసారి చదువుకోండి, అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, మరి అన్ని వీడియోస్ మీకు రావాలి అంటే మీరు అందరు కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నట్లయితే కంపల్సరీగా మేము పంపించే మిగిలిన వీడియోస్ అన్ని కూడా మిమ్మల్ని రీచ్ అవుతాయి, మీరు చక్కగా వినొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.